Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install Rclone Browser for Linux, which is a graphical user interface application for Linux where you can play with all cloud drives that can be mounted using Rclone. For other operating systems, the videos are given in the description. So with using that Rclone browser, we can download data from multiple cloud drives to our machine with resume support. And it gives you a good speed because more than 5 files are downloaded at the same time. And there's a note, every operation you are doing will use your data, bandwidth, internet, or you can say plan. Now the first step is to check your system architecture. So you have to type this command inside the terminal. You just type it uname -m and press enter. This will show you the architecture type. So mine is into 86_64. So this is a 64-bit system. Now close it and go to this website after you have created the rclone.conf file, which we can create in any operating system. So watch a video for that too. After you have created the rclone.conf file, let us go to this download link in the browser, and on the top you will be having the latest version, and if you scroll down you will see you have the assets. In the assets we have two options for the particular architecture, but as we saw in my case it was this one into 86_64. So I am going to download this file, second .app image. Now click on save file and let us wait until the file is downloaded. And if you want to download unlimited from Mega to any operating system, then you can watch the videos in the description. All of these and more are there on this channel too. Have this Rclone file here, and the download is also finished. So right click on this file and click on properties. Now go to permissions and click on allow this file to run as a program. Now click on close. Now you can right click on it and click on execute or double click on it to run. And here we have the Rclone browser. Right now it is showing us empty everywhere. You can click on file and then click on preferences. And here we have some settings. Now it is showing us these two locations. The first two, Rclone location and rclone.conf file location. So we do have to download Rclone too. Let me quickly download Rclone. I will directly give you this link in the description. Now, as in the 0th step, we checked our system architecture. So mine was 64-bit. So I am going for this line, and in here you go for the Linux and click on this download button and click on download now, and let's wait until this file is downloaded. Now here we have the rclone.conf file. So you can copy the path from here, copy, or you can right click on the file, click on properties, and here we have the path of the file, right? You can see this location. You can copy it from here also. And open the Rclone browser, and inside this rclone.conf file location, paste the path that you have just copied. And now after this / at the last, paste the file name, that is rclone.conf, rclone.conf. We have pasted the Rclone file location, .conf file location. Now open that zip file that you have just downloaded, the Rclone binary file. Open the folder, and here you have this file, the single name without any extension. So you can drag and drop it anywhere or extract the complete folder. Now you have this Rclone file in the same path. So in the first field here, paste the path that you have already copied until this one, and then type the file name, that is rclone only, rclone, that is it. And you can even change the default download or the upload folders. So let me change it to this one only. Inside this folder only I want to download so that I can quickly show you. Now we have interface. You can check out these settings, enable dark mode if you want, and proxies if you want to add some proxies. Okay, then click on OK. And you can see it has loaded all the cloud drives that are configured inside this rclone.conf file. Now in the task and job we have nothing. So let me mount my team drive. So I will be just double clicking on it and it is going to mount it here. You can see it has mounted here and you can access each and everything from here. Like Go index downloader, you want to mount it somewhere. Let me click on mount, and if you want to mount, let me say I want to create a folder inside this. Go index, open this folder, copy the path, let me go to this location only. Here it is, Go index, and here I want to mount this Go index downloader folder. Let's wait for a few seconds. Open this folder and you can see it has mounted the folder, as here we have only these many files, right? So it is not showing this .ipynb checkpoints folder because it is hidden. Let me show hidden files, and now you can see this folder. So it has mounted that folder inside our file manager. Perfect. You can upload files to any folder like source. In the destination, you just have to select the folder and then click on upload, and it will upload to that particular folder. Let's say I want to upload this file. So I'm going to open that particular file inside this location, rclone.conf. Open it. You have these many options. Like if you want to move the file, delete from the source location, and sync. Only delete option is there. So I want to copy here. Compare using size and mod time. This one is the preferred option. You can check out these options one by one. And in the transfer also we have lot of options. You can increase it to whatever you want. But this 8 is quite good. Now you can click on run. In a few seconds the file will be uploaded because it is very small size. Transfer finished. You can see. Let me click on this button again and it is going to show me. Just click on refresh from here. Now you can see the file has been uploaded. And if you want to download this folder, complete folder, you can say click on download from here. Again, many options, whichever you want. And I want to download inside folder. Let me see. Inside this particular folder I want to download. So click on choose. And let me show you by clicking on save task option once. So for the save task, you have to enter the task description. So let's say I want to write go index download. Click on save task. Now if you go to tasks, you will see this go index download task that you have just created. You can click on dry run. It will tell you in the jobs, you can see how much data is going to be transferred. Each and everything it is going to tell you. Here it shows us mounted. Now you can click on the task which you want to execute and click on run in the bottom. And if you refresh this one, you can see that this folder is getting downloaded and transfer has been finished. So using this Rclone browser only, I have downloaded more than 2 terabytes of data. You can also download how much you want. It is a better way with the graphical user interface option. And you can mount any number of cloud drives which you want. Just double click on that. I have changed the password of this mega account. That is why it is not showing me. This mega 1 account is very big. So it is taking a little bit of time, and you can see I have mounted mega 2. You can mount any number of cloud drives. OneDrive is also getting mounted. And one last thing, you can get the size of any file or folder. Just right click on that and click on get size and wait for it to calculate the size of that particular file or folder. And a little bit of more options. We have directory structure. It will show you the complete files and folders inside a particular folder, and it will list all the recursive directories and the files. So no directory is there inside it. You can delete, rename, upload, download, public link also you can generate. And this is the public link for this folder, the Google Drive link, because this is the Google Drive we have mounted, the team drive. Close it. I think that is it from my side for this Rclone browser, explaining all of the features of it. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.